Cargo ships' primary purpose is to transport the goods across the sea from one port to another port around the world. And over the centuries, ships have been designs of many different types. Some of them are designed to carry specific type of cargo, and at present I am with the ship called the bulk carrier. Bulk carrier, as the name implies, are designed to carry solid cargoes in bulk. There are many different cargo types which can be loaded in bulk carrier. Like minerals such as coal. Some cargoes are loaded with the help of grabs and some with the shooter, like dolomite. Copper concentrate, and sometimes the steel materials like steel pipes, rods and all, which can be fitted in the cargo hold. But no matter what the next cargo is, the one thing is to be done is the cargo to be clean for the next loading. So we completed discharging the cargo and we are headed to the loading port. So we will be arriving after the 2 days. So we have got only 2 days to clean the hold. So to clean the hold, a team of deck crew is assigned to do this job complete. No matter what, we have to complete it within these 2 days. Let's check the cargo hold. Out of all the ship types, bulk carrier cargo holds are of the simplest design. Practically an empty space which can hold thousands of tons of solid materials in it. After discharging the cargo, this is the condition you can see right now, which we need to clean and prepare the hold. Cleaning the hold could be as simple as sweeping and water washing, but sometimes for the dirty cargo, the chemical might be necessary to clean the hold. So first of all, we need to clean the leftover residue such as this dunnage and dust and all, depending upon the cargo types. And then collect it in the jumbo bag. And then washing. So sometimes we get lucky, like the discharge cargo is like coal and the next loading cargo is again the coal. So the simple washing and dry it up, the hold would be due. And sometimes like we have discharged coal and the next cargo is the grain. So the we have to do the tremendous effort to clean this hold. Means no matter what, we have to cross the limits of our work, and we have to complete this task for the next loading. So sometimes we have to do the chipping, means like to clean the tank top of the hold with the help of a rusty bus. So for the cargo like copper concentrate and alumina powder and all, so it takes a tremendous effort for the crew to do this job. So after all this cleaning and washing and preparing the hold, when we reach the loading port, the inspector will come on board and check the standards of our hold. If the holds are passed, the ship will allow to commence with the cargo loading. And if the holes are failed, the ship will need to clean the holes again and schedule another inspection. If this happens, the ship will be on off-hire status, meaning charterer will not pay the ship within and until the holes pass the inspection again. In simple terms, the ship owner will lose money. Cargo hold cleaning is just another one of the routine tasks the seafarer carry out in order for the ship to continue applying its trade. In the end, that's just how things are. And these jobs, no matter how difficult or uncomfortable, needs to be get done. And someone's gotta do it. So those who chose a life at sea knew what they were signing up for. So get ready, get prepared, those who all want to join the Merchant Navy.